Hello all, welcome back. Hope the 1 month of school is going good for you and your child. So whenever we send a child to school, we focus on academic concepts like letters of the alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, animals. So the little one excel in academics, which is very good. But very often we forget or are unaware of the rest of the areas of development which a kid should equally focus on. So understanding academic concepts comes under cognitive development. Similarly, there are other areas of development which are very important for the holistic growth of the child. So today I am going to give you a very brief idea about the areas of development. First one is physical development. Physical development covers the development of physical changes which include growing in size and strength, as well as the development of both gross motor skills and fine motor skills. I'll explain what are these. Gross motor skills pertain to skills involving larger muscle movements such as independent sitting, crawling, walking, running, climbing the stairs alone without support. And coming to fine motor skills, it involves use of small muscles for grasping, picking object manipulation or drawing. This comes under fine motor skills. Next area of development is cognitive development, which we all know. It means how children think, explore and figure things out. It's the development of knowledge, skills, problem solving and dispositions which help children to think about and understand the world around them. As caregivers, this is the only area most of us are aware of. Not to worry, let's go to the next area of development. Social and emotional development. It includes a child's growing understanding about their feelings. They also begin to understand what others are feeling, develop the ability to cooperate, show empathy and use moral reasoning. The next area of development is language development. It is a process by which children come to understand and communicate language during early childhood. And the last area of development is life skills and creativity. I can explain this using example. When it comes to life skill, a child knows how to put a shirt, learns to tie his shoelace. And for creativity, the child is able to scribble, is able to mix colors or understand rhythm in music, sing songs, etc. There is much evidence to support the importance of your child's early development to their health and well-being throughout later life. Children experience the greatest rate of development during the early years, and the first 5 years of life are critically important time in brain development. While connections in the brain are made throughout life, the rapid pace at which our brains develop in these 5 years is never repeated. So understanding a child's changing growth and development milestones is an important part of parenting. So where do you find this milestone tracker? It's available for free in Toto Learning app. You can download the app for free from Play Store and Apple Store. The link is shared below. The tracker asks you simple questions and gives you feedback regarding the milestone. And not to worry if there is any area where the child needs to progress. We have curated some activities to bring up those skills too. So what are you waiting? So download the app and get the milestones checked at the earliest. Remember, recognizing developmental delays early in a child's life can give your child the opportunities and support to develop new skills. Thank you.